Hello everybody and welcome back to part 2 of my presentation. We're going to continue with the ecological theory. In neighborhoods, normal racial issues within a neighborhood are important to develop positive racial identities. With my interview with Adult Stage, the interactions that are most important in her life were her interactions with her family, church, school, friendships, and peers. They all help to shape her self-esteem, her identity, and her life. Now I will use the ecological theory. Adaptation, the ability to adapt to her environment despite the views of her peers. She used her religion to adapt, which is what she used throughout her life. Coping, using her resources such as religion, trusted confidants, her peers, and her teachers. Energy, she had positive and negative peer relationships, which helped to shape her growth and development. Interdependence, she relied on her parents to provide, nurture, care, and to cause her to become self-aware of herself and how she relates to others. Social environment, peer interactions help her to want to excel and overcome the racism that she was dealing with. She learned how to be self-sufficient. She had many peer relationships. She was close with her brothers. She was close with her parents. She was close with friends in her neighborhood. Transaction. The negative transactions of discrimination and biases caused her to want to prove them wrong and be successful. Even though she suffered with discrimination, she still had this desire to want to achieve and do well for herself. The theory limitation I chose was the Erikson theory. The limitation with the Erikson theory is the fact that Erikson's theory does not take into account the differences in the developmental activities and abilities of adolescents. The theory does not discuss the cultural values and interactions between my person and her environment. I thank you for watching my presentation. I thoroughly enjoyed interviewing my person. I learned a lot about her life. I learned a lot about what was going on during her time and what was important and hard for adolescents to deal with. During her time, most people were dealing with peer relationships, relationships with racial discrimination. So again, I thank you for watching my video and have a good day.